Jai Hind friends, I am Yogeshwar Kahar. Today we start order of reaction. Okay, so we already know about the rate expression law according to our last video. Now we understood order of reaction. First we know about the definition. The sum of powers of the concentration of the reactants in the rate law expression is called the order of reaction of that chemical reaction. Okay, what happened here? Order of reaction, the sum of powers of the concentration of the reactant in the rate law expression. So we already clear about the rate law expression, very useful for us. Is called the order of reaction of that chemical reaction. In rate law expression we already clear one reaction X A plus Y B convert into convert into products. So we not mention here our product. So rate expression law rate is directly proportional to the active mass of A and active mass of B, and power is X and Y. So our order of reaction, again we know about the K and A, X and B, Y. Okay, so now order of reaction is the sum of powers of concentration of the reactant. Then power is here, so X plus Y is called the order of reaction that for particular chemical reaction. Okay, I think you understand very well. First, if you have any chemical reaction, so you mention the rate expression law, then you add power. You already know meaning of this concentration is called active mass of reactants. Okay, active mass, it means this mass is decreased with the particular time. Clear? So order of reaction is X plus Y. We take some example like that here. If I have some reactions there. Suppose H2 HCl 2 HCl convert into H2 plus Cl2. Okay, so the rate expression, rate is directly proportional to HCl the power 2. So rate is equal to KH. Here only power is 2. So the order of reaction is second. Clear? Because 2 is mentioned here. So the order of reaction is 2. Now we take one more example like that here. KCl O3 2. So the 2 KCl plus 3 O2. Clear? So again the rate RATE. Okay, then here also RATE is directly proportional to the KClO3, here power 2. So rate is equal to KClO3 then 2. So order of reaction is 2. Okay. On the basis of order of reaction, the chemical reaction again divided in some parts. On the basis of order of reaction, like that, zero order of reaction, first order of reaction, second order of reaction, and lot of order of reaction. So we discussed in our 12th class syllabus only zero order of reaction, second first order of reaction, third second order of reaction, then nth order of reaction. Clear? So we discussed in 12th class only zero order of reaction and first order of reaction. Okay. So we take some example for zero order of reaction. Every reaction which complete in the presence of catalyst, so this is called zero order of reaction. Okay. The example of zero order of reaction. Okay. The first we discuss about the definition of zero order of reaction. The rate of reaction in which does not depends upon the reactant concentration. Okay, the rate of reaction in which does not depend. So okay, it's wrong, I think some sentence is problem. A reaction in which rate of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. Clear? So it's called zero order of reaction. Like that, here already I mentioned you कि every reaction which complete in the presence of catalyst are called zero order of reaction. Like that, here N2 plus 3H2. If I mention here Fe and MO, it is the catalyst and catalyst. So reaction is complete. So this reaction is called zero order of reaction. One more example: sulfur dioxide react with O2, then convert into sulfur trioxide on the presence of vanadium pentoxide. Clear? So this reaction is also called zero order of reaction. Then next, N2O, then convert into presence of PT, N2 plus half O2. Clear? So it's also zero order of reaction. Then 2HI convert into H2 plus I2 in the presence of gold. So it's also called zero order of reaction. Now how to show zero order of reaction in rate expression now. So rate is directly proportional to the N2 की power 0 then H2 the power 0. Also we not show here power 3. Clear? Because this reaction is called zero order of reaction. So the power of reactant concentration is 0. Here also rate is directly proportional to the sulfur dioxide, power is 0. Why 0? Because this reaction is zero order of reaction. How to mention? If catalyst is present, so the order of reaction is 0. Clear? Here also same. Rate is directly proportional to the N2O. Then here rate HI, the power 0. Clear? Okay. So it's very easy, only we understand on the basis of catalyst. If catalyst present, so this reaction is called zero order of reaction. If I remove this catalyst, so the order of reaction is changed. Now n the power 1, because no number is present, so here present 1, then here 3, so we use 3. The order of reaction is 4. 3 plus 1, so order of reaction is 4. Done? Clear? Then next, some example for the first order of reaction. First order of reaction. So the definition of first order of reaction: a reaction in which rate of reaction depend upon one concentration of reactant. Clear? One concentration of reactants. Some example of this: C2H5Cl convert into C2H4 plus HCl. Okay, so here rate of reaction, rate is directly proportional to C2H5Cl the power 1. So this reaction is called first order of reaction. If I show here 2H2O2, then convert into 2H2 plus O2. Okay, then I show you rate is directly proportional to H2O2 the power 1. So you don't forget, order of reaction does not depend on these molecules. Order of reaction depend on rate expression law. Clear? So here order of reaction is 1, first order of reaction. Clear? Here also first. I think you understand about that. In our next example, 226 radium radioactive reaction 88 convert into 4 Fe 2 plus 2 radon 88. So this reaction is also called first order of reaction because rate is directly proportional to the radium concentration. So here power is 1. Done? I think you have no problem about the order of reaction. Now how to calculate the unit for order of reaction? Okay, then we move in unit, calculation of units. It's very important for 12th class students. Unit. We know about the unit of concentration of reactant concentration of product or reactant both. Unit is mole, gram per mole inverse. Okay, this unit for the concentration of product and reactants. So order of reaction for the first order of reaction is, okay, now first we consider zero order of reaction. Suppose A convert into product, okay, presence of any catalyst. So the order of reaction, zero order of reaction, rate directly proportional to A the power 0. So rate is equal to K, then A the power 0. So you know your unit mole. What is this? Okay, the unit of rate constant, because here nothing is present. Unit of rate constant, it's depend upon reaction. Clear? It depends upon order of reaction. Then we show after some time what for the unit of zero order of reaction is different, first order of different, second order of reaction is different. Clear? So we mention later for the order of reaction units. Then okay, now some integration constant is there, some calculations are there for the rate of reaction. Okay, we discuss in our next video about the order of reactions for zero order of reaction and first order of reaction. Now we mention now we next start the molecularity of reaction. Okay, our next topic is molecularity. Molecularity of a reaction. Clear? So the definition of molecularity is the number of reacting species taking part in an elementary reaction which must collide simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of a reaction. Clear? So the molecularity of a reaction, the number of reactant species taking part in an elementary reaction which must collide simultaneously in order of bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of a reaction. In our shortcut, the total number of reactant molecules which taking part in chemical reaction are called molecularity. Okay, so what is the definition in our shortcut? Molecularity, the number of molecularity is equal to the number of total molecules which taking part in chemical reaction. Like that here H2 plus I2 convert into 2HI. So how much molecules are present in reactants? 1 molecules, here 1 molecule. So the molecularity of this reaction is 2. Okay, now N2 plus 3H2, the presence of Fe and MO, 2NH3 is formed. So the molecularity of this reaction is 314. Then next one more, 2HCl convert into H2 plus I2. Here 2 molecules are present, so molecularity is equal to 2. In next, we now thinking about the order of reaction and molecularity. One more question is there: order of reaction and molecularity always same or not? So its answer is not, because sometime in like that here you already now is clear the order of reaction of this reaction is zero order of reaction. How? Because some catalysts are present, so this reaction is zero order of reaction, but the molecularity is 4. Now you also remember difference between the molecularity and order of reaction. Clear from our books? Like that here molecularity does not zero, because in every reaction 1 molecules are present, so reaction is happened, so molecularity is minimum 1, but the order of reaction may be 0. The unit of molecularity, it depends on concentration unit. like that gram per mole, liter inverse, etc. But the order of reaction, rate of reaction is depend on K values, like that, etc. Some difference are there. Molecularity. First, the total number of molecule which taking part in chemical reaction is called molecularity. Then order of reaction, the sum of power which show in red expression law is called order of reaction. Then second is, it is a theoretical concept in molecularity. Then order of reaction is determined experimentally. We already clear here. We determine in experimentally. Then third, it is always a whole number. Molecularity always present in whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It cannot be zero and fractions. Okay, molecularity cannot be zero and fraction. It means 3.2, 2.1, etc. But order of reaction, whole numbers and zero also is possible. Sometimes fraction is also possible in order of reaction. Then fourth is, molecularity does not change with change in temperature and pressure. So no, here if we increase temperature, we increase pressure, so reaction, rate of reaction is increased. But depend, our molecularity depend only number of molecules, so it's not affected by the temperature and pressure. But our order of reaction is changed, it's affected by temperature and orders. Okay. In our next video we discuss about the K value, constant value for zero order of reaction and first order of reactions. Clear? We show again mathematically expression for the rate expression. Clear? Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.